Hey everyone, Andy here from TechOBS, and today I'll be showing you how you can install Windows 10. For this installation, all you need is a pen drive that should be at least 8 gigabytes, and also a computer. If you don't have it, you can use your friend's computer or laptop.
Alright, so before installation, make sure your pen drive is empty, or you can just format it like this, and put on the quick format, click OK, and just wait for a few seconds, and your pen drive should be formatted. Should be bad. Clean. Okay, now what you're gonna do is to go ahead and download Windows 10 from the official Microsoft website. So, you're gonna want to click on over here, click on create Windows 10 installation media, this one. Now, just wait for it to download, and we're gonna run this program, follow these steps, and then we'll be going into BIOS, changing the settings, changing a few settings, and then we'll begin our installation. So, where is it? Okay, let's open it. As normal, we'll drive to install Windows. Set it up like this, and then click on the USB flash drive, and then click on next. And it should start downloading all the Windows 10 files on your pen drive. It should take some time.
Alright, once it has finished downloading the setup files, you click on next, finish, and now we're going to restart the computer and enter BIOS. Okay, once you're done, you can restart the computer. I don't know how to restart, sorry, I'm not familiar with the Windows 11 UI. Is it this? Oh yeah, okay. Now restart and enter BIOS by pressing the delete key, as I always say on my previous videos, or you can press other keys like F2, F11 or 12, depending on the manufacturer of your motherboard. Okay, now what you want to do is to make the drive where you want to install Windows as the primary, or the number one priority for booting. So what you want to do is to go to BIOS and select boot option number 1 as the UEFI, the pen drive that we have used, or which is the bootable pen drive of Windows 10, and the second should be Windows Boot Manager. Okay, now once you've done that, okay, sorry, with the mouse. Okay, now once you've done that, do a save and exit setup, save configuration, and reset. Yes. Okay. Alright, so the reason why I'm actually going back to Windows 10, I don't have any major issues with it. I just want to go back and see how the performance was before, and you can always go back to Windows 10 without formatting everything. You can actually go back, like from if you have upgraded to Windows 11, you can always go back without deleting your important files. But the reason why I'm formatting, I'm cleaning up everything, is because I have some other issues with it on the C drive. Like there's some, like, it shows a dirty bit if you like type the FSUTIL, that code, it shows dirty. C drive is dirty, so that's why I'm actually formatting it. Okay, what you want to do is click on next. Don't worry about anything else. Now the setup is gonna start, and you just gotta wait. Now it's gonna ask for the product key, but I don't have a product key, so I'm just gonna skip. But if you have, you can apply it. Now I'm gonna go select Windows 10 Pro. Okay, let's just wait. Accept all the agreements. And now click on custom if you want to clean out the drive that you want to install Windows on. Okay, now what you're gonna do, as before, format everything except your hard drive. Okay, so this is the primary drive we want to format. I gotta format this one too. I gotta format this one too. Okay, now what you want to do is delete, and delete. Now you're left with the SSD,
or the drive that you want to install Windows on. Now you just click on New. I'll show you. Don't worry about this one. Okay, it's gonna create some files. Don't worry about that. You don't need to touch those. And now we're gonna install it on the primary drive over here. Those two will remain just exactly the same. Now click on Next. And it should install Windows. So I'll be back once it's done. Alright, I think it's done. It's installing the update. Let it install the update. Don't need to worry about that. And it will restart after this. So you can wait for it, or you can select this one. I'm just gonna restart. Alright, now it's pretty much done. All you need to do is just wait for it. I will go through a lot of restarts and all that stuff. Don't worry about that, just be patient, and I'll see you when the settings appear. Funny enough, I would always think, why do you need another Windows OS when Windows 10 was literally perfect? Or if Windows 11 was supposed to appear, they could have added that as like a major update for Windows 10. I just feel like that would have been better, but I don't know. Alright, we're back at the basic setup. Yeah, the region. Select your region, then click on yes. Yeah, just click yes. No, I don't want this. Just wait. That's important setup to do. Alright. Important setup. It's gonna take a few seconds, not that much. Sit back and relax while we work our magic. Very cool. Please don't turn off your device. I am not gonna turn off my device. Okay. Okay, we got through this part of setup. Okay. There's no way I'm turning it off. Are you kidding me, man? I mean, you can turn it off, but you know, why would you? Okay, how would you like to set it up? Set up for personal use, or if you're like in an organization, like in an office or school, you select this one. But me, I'm at home, so it's gonna sort of personal use. Now, okay. Now, the best thing about this is that you can set up Windows with an offline account, unlike Windows 11. So you just click on this offline account, and just wait and select limited experience. You can just name whatever you want. I will name it as, alright, then I'm gonna select next. You can use a password, but I'm not gonna put any password, so I'm just gonna select next. Sorry. Disable all of these, you don't really need those. And disable. And click on accept. And you can just skip this. You don't need Cortana unless you really do need it. No one really needs Cortana. So I'm just going to click on now. Hi! We're getting everything ready for you. Very nice. This might take several minutes. Please don't turn off your PC. Okay. Sorry if like the screen is shaky, my hands are actually shaky, and I don't have a workstation type OS or like proper way to set it up so that it doesn't shake. But yeah, I'm sorry about that. And yeah, we're back in Windows 10. Finally. After like a couple of days later, actually. So yeah, this is how you set up Windows 10. Oh wait, well, there's actually one more important thing you need to do. If you play games most of the time, you need to go to mouse. Sorry, spelling mistake. You need to go to mouse settings and go down and click additional mouse options. Go to pointer options. Disable this. Click on apply, and okay, and we are good to go. What is this? Alright, it is ready to go. Alright, now in order to add my computer, you need to go to personalize, themes, then go to desktop icon settings, click on my computer and user files, click apply, and then okay. And you will have my PC, my computer, or this PC, whatever it's named, and this one. And also don't forget to update Windows right after installation, because you need this in order to install some important drivers. So yeah, it's up to date. If it's up to date, then you are good to go. And so this is how you set up Windows 10. So if you guys enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.